not able to like fetch from that AutoCAD or not like that, you need to manually you need to draw. So in the right side, these are all the elements will be there. In AC elements also will be there. In also like DC elements also will be there. So you can create, you can just click and drag it here. Then you can like it will come here. So you can do the modeling as per the TSL. Okay. So just I'm drawing on simple model. So this is the grid. I'm going to just one bar. So hold on this bar. And then next one transformer. And going for the system. So like if for example if we are opening the transformer means like here it will show you the info page, like you can here you can edit the like a transformer name, or you can select the which like name transformer, which side is the like primary side and which side is the secondary side. So you can select like here you can change. Okay. And also like here you can change the transformer type also, like cell type or core type. In core means what is the link, like 3 type link or 4 link or 5 link, like that is possible. And three single phase transformer, like R phase on individual transformer, Y phase, B phase, like that you can select here. And also if you are going to rating, there you can get it all the information, like you need to give, provide all the you need to manually give the all the information, like what is the price level and what is the balance level and what is the MVA. If you want to like give it in KVA means you can change here. If the MVA also is there, just clicking this one you can you can change to VA, or again if you are clicking again it will change to KVA. So I'm going with MVA, like the primary voltage I'm selecting as 220 kV and second voltage I'm selecting as 11 kV. Just I'm giving for example 20 MVA transfer. Okay, so it will automatically will calculate how much the primary current and how much is the secondary current. And the next important aspect for the impedance. So based on the impedance, like transformer no load losses also will be there, and also short circuit contribution also will be there, like through fault current. So like if you have the transformer data sheet means, then you can get the impedance value from the data sheet. Like as per IEC standard also, that if it is like more than 100 MV means then 12.5% of impedance, and then if it is less than 100 MV means there will be 10% of impedance. Like that the IEC standard will be there. If you know means you can put it in IEC standard, otherwise you can here also option will be there. For example, because like I have given 20 MVA, so it will automatically change like as per IEC standard. I am giving the typical value. So it is taking the 10% of impedance and the actual value is 20. It will take automatically. Based on this impedance, the no load or losses will be okay. Okay. And also if it is tap setting you need to cover. For example, there will be two types of tapping: on-road tap changer and on-road tap changer and off-road tap changer. So if you are giving the LTC voltage regulated there, if you are mostly the tap setting will be in primary side. So if you are clicking AVR means it will automatically change like ONTC operation will be appearing. Otherwise if you want to change manually means here you can change the tap setting manually. Like some of the transformers, for example, like plus or minus 5% of taps are there. Means offload tap changers are mainly like plus or minus 5%. There it will be step size of 2.5 plus plus 0.25 and plus 0.5 and minus 2.5. So if you want to set the like a tap setting, if you click that one LTC, then you will get the like tap setting also, like how much percentage you are going to, like in positive side and on negative side, and how much and what is the step size. If you are giving the all the information, then it will automatically, like if you are like for example I am giving -5 to +5, like -5 to +5, there is step size of 2.5 I have selected. Okay, so then like here band size also we need to select. Band size like 50% of this upper band and lower, like step size, like I am giving 1.25 upper band and lower band is 1.25. So like I have given -5 like plus 5, minus 5 to plus 5, it will actually come 2.5. So if you are changing like manually, it will change like up to 5 only it will go, and also if you are changing manually here the down segment, it will go up to minus 5. So like this is how like our offload tab changer will operate. If you are clicking it on, this one will automate. Now it is a OSC operation will appear here. Okay. So if you want to change like a ground setting, like what is the vector group in primary side and secondary side, you can select the vector group here, and also like in phase shift also you can select from this also. Okay. So transformer I have selected. Next one is like this is like a grid. So in grid this is the main page. So in grid you can select like what is the operating mode. It is whether it is the swing bus or voltage control or ambient control or power factor control. Like that you can select. So I'm going with this one. And in rating page like you can select for example like I have selected the transformer 220. So the bus is also 220.
3,000.
Obviously the transformer that the grid also will be.
What is this comedy, bro?
Okay. Already the existing power plants or other industries also they are connected.
3,000.
So from there we will get the short circuit current.
To
So
whom?
we need to give the short circuit current in the grid. For
Whom did you do?
220 kV means I am giving like
At the end?
as I said 3 phase fault current and a single phase fault current, and SBR ratio I am going with the 14 inch by okay. So after that, if you want to like I have created one model like which is consist of one grid and one step up.
I didn't get any $3 also.
And if you want to connect any motor load or like
I didn't get any $3 also. I did $3,000.
it contains it may
I
contains
mean,
motor load
making crazy about you. What you are talking about?
simple static load, sorry, full load. So here you can like here you need to select the how much is the rating of the load. For example, I am giving as well like 9 megawatt load, 10 megawatt load with the 90% of power factor. Okay, 10 MVA load, so 10 MVA load with 90% of power factor. Here you can see the load type. This 10 MVA load, I have created 80% of motor load with and also 20% of static load. So how it load will operate? It will be operate in 20% of the motor load and sorry 80% as a motor load and 20% as a static load. So here also in our I have created 10 MVA load. If you want to like in case study you want to create like this 10 MVA load is it will operate only 50%.
I didn't get any $3,000.
Like that. What we call the demand factor. So if it is like 80% or 90 or 110% means here you can give the like for example if I am giving 90% means this load will be operate this 10 MVA load will be operate only 90%. Okay, like that you can select. So simple model I have created. So if you like one more cable we can give like how we will put the cable. So here is the cable, just need to drag it down and we need to connect it. So okay, so in the cable you will it is the main page. So in ETAP there are many cables are there.
I didn't get any
standard. So if you opening the live there, the many like what is and frequency range like I am giving the 50 Hz frequency, 50 Hz frequency. There will be two cables, aluminum and copper cable. If I am clicking the aluminum cable, like which is voltage level, I am going to the 11 kV side. So I am going with the 11 kV cable. So XLPE like single core I am going to connect. Like single core I am selecting with the 400 square ohm. This 400 square ohm is around capacity of like a D-rater like 400 amps. But if you are saying in LV side, in rating like this is 1050. Okay, but I have connected here only 400 amps. So we will check whether the ETA will check. It will show you whether we have selected the correct cable or wrong cable. It will show. I will show you how we need to select. So and also we need to put the cable length also. This is the mandatory. Like I am giving 50 meter. Okay, and also if you want to like 2 runs or 3 runs means here you can put it number of conductors of is there. So if you are creating 2, if I am putting 2 means then it is the option of 2 runs and a single core
For what?
aluminum cable
For
400 square.
what?
Okay, so now I have created one a simple model. Now I am going to if you want to if you want to see here in this is the model. If you are going to provide a ETAB SLD for the client tribunal, if they are not able to open the ETAB model, right? Because you are giving a ETAB as a SLD, like a PDF. You want to show any extra things here means there will be a display options here. Okay, in downside you will be get a display option. So like cable length I want to show because the client want to check the cable length means in cable. So length if I'm clicking the then transformer impedance also we need to show means the impedance I have created and kilovolt like transformer only rating is coming. So if I'm clicking that one, see the transformer rating and then voltage, what is the impedance, what is the cable length, and if you want to see, if you want to show the type of cable means then that one also it is possible like type of the cable like aluminum cable. We have put it here aluminum cable, na? So it will show you. Okay, so then directly you can then take the printout. Like here you will get the options for the printout. See, it is the option for printout. So you can create like in here you can select in normal
Why this
printout we are selecting
is
like which are
messing up?
like A3 or A4 size. Then there you can select
Why,
like what is the size you will get here.
why?
So now I am going to the load flow. This is the load flow option. So I have clicked the load flow option. In load flow option, then you will get this many options. Okay, this first one P and V is there. Now this is the option. It is showing run load flow calculation. So I am running the load flow calculation. It will like the one output file will be created. So it will saved in that. Here we have created one library project, one project folder. It will save in that folder. So here now
Why?
it is showing like
Why?
yeah,
Why it's
there
not
is no
coming,
unit
bro?
is showing here now. So we need to show the unit.
Is going
So
on
if I am clicking the
Why
unit,
is
it
there
will show how
something
much
wrong?
kilowatt is taking, how much the reactive power is taking, how much is the bus voltage percentage. So if you want to see megawatt means, if you go to the display options, there you can change to power flow in MV. Okay. So now it is showing us in megawatt. Okay. So and also like if you want to see the bus voltage in percentage to like a kilovolt, there you can see kilovolt. And this is the 220 kV bus, this is the 11 kV bus. Whether the voltage is dropping because of the transformer impedance on the line length. Okay. Here why it is showing as a red color. So here if you want to see the alert means directly you can see here one alert is the alert bell icon is there. Now if you are clicking that one means see the cable is overloaded. I already told you in transformer LV side there will be a thousand amps current will flow 1000 amps rating is there. But we have selected of cable of 400 amps capacity. The rated is 400 amps. So that is why it is showing overload. Cable is overload. So we can identify here because the cable is not properly modeled or properly selected. So we need to like suppose this cable is recommended by client means we need to tell them so this cable is getting overload. So we need to change the square angle. So size. So now I'm going with just I'm putting as a 2 run cable. Okay, because previously we have selected 1 run. Now I'm going with the 2 run. So now I'm changing to see now it is okay. Okay. So here see like 10 point well, like 10.11 kV bus it is getting 10.75 only. If you want to increase the bus voltage means if you are selecting
What happened? What?
go to transformer if you are selecting
My
VDC
yoga
means
is on
it will change
clear.
voltage from here. See now I have selected the OLTC, so it will automatically change LV voltage. Correct? So if suppose if you want to put it in like I am putting in I am switching off the OLTC, this is 7.5, 10.15. If you want to change like suppose this transformer is like output capacity means we need to reduce the tap and we need to check. I have reduced the tap. Now see 11.03. If you want to show the transformer, what is the tap number
Thank
here,
you, thank you.
then there will be display option
Thank
here.
you.
So you need to go and then here the transformer tap. So minus 2.5%. So in display options, what are all the you will get after which are the parameters you need to use to solve the different select. So in result, cable is there and transformer also. You need to check whether how much the transformer losses, how much the cable losses. See here you can select the voltage of the line of the cable. Okay. So that also branch losses. Like it will show the like in branch losses. By voltage drop also I have selected branch losses. Now you can see like this much of real and reactive losses in the transformer and in cable and how much the voltage drop in the cable. So everything will be you will get here. Okay. Next, if you want to see the short circuit, short circuit is mainly for breaker and every equipment. It is we need to check short time rating of the equipment. Correct? Whether, for example, if I am selecting this 11 kV bus, I have selected as 11 kV bus, whether it is 25 kilowatts breaking and 2.5 times 65.75 peak. So I have selected. So whether I need to check the bus is withstanding or not, I want to check. Okay, so that time this is the short circuit option. So what you need to do, you need to create the bus fault. Okay. So I have if you are selecting this bus and clicking the right click, then you will get the many options. There you will get fault option. Okay. So I have created the fault. Then you can see in the right side load flow also here P and V, then PV calculation will get now same like that. The options will become there. So if you want to run the three-phase fault means here 6090 will be there. Here you will get many you can create three-phase fault, single line to ground fault, line to line fault, double line to ground fault. So I'm going to run the 60909. It is showing unit is not showing. So if you want to see the show units, so here it will show now we don't know initial stage, we don't know which fault we have run. So if you go to the display options, here we have created the three-phase fault. So this is the three-phase fault current in this 220 kV bus, and this is the fault current in the 11 kV bus, and this is the downstream from 10 UV load is there that. From that one we are getting the 3 kilowatts fault configuration. Okay. So if you want to run the single line to ground fault means in display option you can change the single line to ground fault. If you are changing to single line to ground fault, this is you are getting. Why you are not getting from downside? It is 0 kilowatts only for this is this I have load is I have selected as a star ground. Okay, here it is we are getting single line contribution is 2.9. Why the single line to this current will be flow this side also, but here it is showing 0 currents. Why? Because if it is delta side in the primary side means the single line to ground fault will not flow in the primary side, right? So if you want to I am showing you just for example. So if delta primary side is a delta, if here also I am changing means also I am changing to solid ground. Okay, so I am rendering the single line to ground for C. Now it is single our fault current is flowing in the HV side also. Like that only you need to you can check the you can run and check the short circuit whether cable is withstanding or not, or the bus is withstanding or not, whether how much load is giving the contribution, how much the transformer is how fault through fault, how much the through fault current is there. So if you want to run the relay coordination, the short circuit is the main input for the relay coordination. Okay, so before the relay coordination you need to run the short circuit. So this is the short circuit. Okay. So next one I am going with the motor starting, and also if you want to extract any detailed result in PDF format you need to give me here option is that, right? So here report manager is there. So here you will get a complete report. Like if you are giving a complete report, you will get you will if you are clicking means there is many options here. Like you want to in PDF format or Word format or Excel format, or you want only you need a single line to ground fault result only means you can get or single line to ground fault or one like complete report. You have like you can click you can get all the results from the here. And also like you if you want to give the PDF format from how much you have given the like transformer data suite of Moderna, that one also we need to give as a input, like that one also you can extract from here. Okay. And also like result. So this is the result, short circuit, LG report, like line to line report, double line to ground fault report. This every report you can extract. And also I am showing you how we need to create the cases. So for example, this is the one case. So putting the breaker here.
Come on.
So this is one model, like for example I have prepared. So this is the one model you want to, like if you need to create many cases. For example, in one of the cases both the income was only closed and another one bus coupler is open. In another case incomer one incomer is closed and bus coupler also is closed, but another one incomer is open. In another one case three sources, like incomer 1, incomer 2, bus coupler 3, everything is closed. Like that you need to create many cases means here the option is there. So here you can create the cases, like this is the first case we have created a normal. Okay, so you want to create another one case. So for example, this is the simple network, so we can create like directly we can create new cases. For example, if you have like a very big plant network where it is having the 500 number of breakers or something, so that one is very confusing, right? So directly what you can do, you can directly copy from the old network and you can create the new model. Like I'm creating like case 2. This one I'm getting as a case 2. In case 2, in case 2, this is the case 2. In case 2, I want to open the CP3. So here it is showing the CP3. So here I have put open. So in case 3, like if you are running the case 2, that time like lump load, any of the load like so this is the main page. So like here you can select like whether it is a single phase motor or 3-phase motor. For example, in a single bus, there will be a same rating of 5 numbers of bus. So means that directly you can put here like 5 numbers of bus. This is same rating. Like that you can say. Okay. So in end plate, this is the option. Here these are all the data we need to provide. Okay. So I'm changing to Menout. So I'm changing to Menout. So I'm doing 3 megawatt motor. So like from ETAB library, it is taking us the efficiency as 94 and the power factor as 92. So if you want to change the efficiency as 90% from the load 100% of loaded or 70% of loaded, like 70% of loaded means 93, whether it is 50% means 95. Like power factor also you can able to change here. Okay. So like poles also you can, whether it is. So I have model as a one model load. If you want like where you need to run the motor starting steady means there is an option for motor acceleration. Okay. So here for the motor acceleration, you need to create the cases of when when the motor is going to start and then how much time you need to see the result, like that. Okay, before that, here we need to give the action set. Okay, so like motor acceleration time, if it is the terminal voltage is 100% means like I'm giving as a typical MP 6 seconds. If it is the suppose the motor terminal voltage is 80% means like I'm giving as acceleration time 7 seconds. Okay. So and also hot start and cold start also, like that you can you need to give the acceleration time for the motor start. Okay. So before running the study, you need to create the case. So this is the study case. Okay. So like one like one icon in the suitcase icon. This is the study case. So the study is motor starting study. Like you can change the name as well. Like so in that one, I am going to create one event. Okay. So I am going to check whether the motor is going to start or not. Okay. So I am creating one event like motor start. So the time is the motor is I'm thinking like I want to check motor is going to start at two two seconds. Okay. So I have selected I have given as a 2 second action type. Which motor, because if it is more than 10 numbers or 20 numbers, 50 numbers, which motor you are going to take the action. So here I have selected only one motor. So I am going to like action like here you can select whether the motor or static load or whether the grid or like that you can check. So I'm going to select as a motor. The action is it is like I'm going to start. Okay, this is the motor ID, the starting category, like whether it is going as a normal or static. This one I will tell you how it will do. Okay, so I'm going to start on motor one. Okay, the total simulation time, like total, like I'm thinking like give us 15 seconds. I want to see. Okay, I have created one cases. I have created one case. Now I am going to run. So this is the static motor starting. So now bus magnet. So like I'm going to start this motor. So like in 0 seconds, the slider is there now. This is the slider. So you can drag it down and you can check. Okay. So at 0 seconds, this motor is off only. It is not taking. See here, it is not taking any current. Okay, any current or it is not showing any power. So I am dragging because we have modeled at 2 seconds the motor is going to start. See this is 0.44 means like 0.4 450 440 milliseconds. Okay, so I'm dragging down. See up to like 80 1.3 1.7 up to this 1.8 the motor is not yet started. Correct. So if I am taking this to see after 2 seconds the motor is started. Correct. During the starting it is taking
Come on, how do you know?
934 amps and the power factor is 10.4. Why it is taking means see here because the full load current is like 174 only, but during starting time like LRC is like 600% we have given, right? So it is like if it is 100% of terminal voltage and then it will take 1059 amps. Okay, so here it is like our terminal voltage is like not 100%, like it is around so 97%. That is why only it is not taking this 1000 amps. Correct. So 1015 it is taking only 934 amps. So we have given the acceleration time 6 seconds. Correct. So up to like 2 seconds it is started. So 6 seconds there will be acceleration time. So from 2 to 6 seconds means there is 8 seconds time gap, right? 2 plus 6 means 8 seconds. So up to 8 seconds there is no difference here. After the 8 seconds, see you can see there is up to 7.84 there is no change. Okay, after the 8 seconds the instant the motor started, it is now just running. It is like it is started. So you can check now like it is started. So the full load amps is also it is taking 135.4 and the power factor is 92.4. But then the 11 kV is means that time the full load amps is 174. Now the percentage of the terminal voltage is 97.14. Okay, so like It is taking 155.4. Okay, so if you want to say, if you are like this is the motor, so motor started. If suppose the motor is not able to start, means here it will show in the error, na? Here it will show the motor is not able to start, like that the error will show. Okay, so you want to see any terminal voltage or current or speed.
ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ ಹಾಂ
How are like whatever we have done now till now, we go 4 meter like how it is 4 meter. Right. Because it is a very yes, ma'am. In elevation area also maximum we have done until 3 meter. But this is a very huge. So yes, yes. Correct. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'll check. Okay. Both I'm going to share, like Munsa and Ticket. No, yes, ma'am. Stage 1 and stage 2. Ah, yes, ma'am. I'm going to share this. Yes. Then it's no dunes or no other dunes are not certain.
कैसे चेंज किया? ब्लॉक की वजह से हो रहा था। मुझे भी बता देना, सीखा देना। अरे ये पूरा मॉडल को बाहर ले लिया है सर ने, मैं भी लेके तो बाहर ही, बाकी का भी सब बाहर ही है, दिख रहा है बाहर ही, ये देखो पूरा कर दूँ रिमोट को थोड़ा। हाँ इनसाइड है क्या देखो, हेलो हेलो, यस सर देयर इज नो लाइसेंस सर, इधर हम देखो नो सर, बट for checking also I want to license now. While he is taking our license, now he is telling that we want to submit the today results for 39. I think with the Winchester is on and one of the still not coming. I am ready to complete RTI, but it is not really. How can I explain?
Hello.
Yeah. No, my age is different, but still the same number. So we can give
அது க்ளோஸ் பண்ண முடியல, எப்படி பண்ணுறது இப்போ?
yes sir.
இல்லை, நீங்கள் தான் ஸ்க்ரீன்ஷாட் அனுப்புறது, ஃபோட்டோ அனுப்ப சொன்னீங்க,
we are giving it a chance because we are already
இதில் வந்து இப்போ அதர்ஸ்
so everyone like that, but she will not.
அதில் மினிமம் டியூ, மினிமம் டோட்டல் டியூ
I am already getting the message, but she can't see the message.
கஸ்டமைஸ் இருக்கு. ஆமாம், ஓகே. இல்லை ஷியோரா, இல்லை வந்து இது நான் போட்டு அனுப்புகிறேன்.
Probably we are also coming Saturday. I normally also some
Indicate the
take one call. Online waits the same possibility. Still supporting to us. Yes, okay.
ಜನರಲ್గా ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಕಮೆಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಳಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಂತೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಅದೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಥರ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಳ್ಸೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳೋದು
ಹಲೋ
ಹೇಳಿ ಕಳ್ಸೋದು
ತುರಾಯಿ ಜನವರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಪಾಸ್ ಆಯಿತು இப்போ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ வந்து ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
ಮತ್ತಂತಂದರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು
ஷுவர் நம்ம இந்த அக்கௌண்ட்டில் குறைச்சி அது வந்து இப்போ 68 அந்த 6
ಸರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಲ್ಲ
ஆமாம்
We are
ಓಕೆ
we are getting now sir block wise reminder block wise we are. So sir is taking the outside the block between part. So it is working fine.
இப்போ நான் 68,600 பண்ணும்போது ಇಲ್ಲಿ 55 பே பண்ணேன் ஷுவர் தான் இப்போ இதுக்கும் இந்த மாதிரி அடுத்து வேறு போகுது மீதி அமௌண்ட் எவ்வளோ ஷோ ஆச்சு அதை கட்டிட்டேன்
So we don't have the time also there.
ஓகே நம்பரை பார்ப்போம் சரி ஓகே நான் இந்த ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகணும்னா ரிஃப்ளெக்ட் ஆகணும்னா எதுவும் பண்ண முடியாது அமௌண்ட் போயிடுச்சு என்னோடது சேவிங்ஸ்லேருந்து சரி ஓகே
is the document I have not mentioned because of the
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Okay, yeah, ma'am, clear now.
Today